Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to work with the TradeNation broker dashboard. At the top, by clicking on your profile, you will see four options: View Dashboard, Account Settings, Payments, and Logout. By simply clicking on the Logout option, you will easily exit your account, and we also just enter the View Dashboard section, which quickly takes you to the website overview section. You can effortlessly see information about your MetaTrader 4 account, and you can view the balance in this section by clicking on the Launch option. You will enter the TradeNation MetaTrader platform, and a video about the platform will be made for you soon. The next option is the Deposit option, where you can select your payment method in this section. In addition to the billing information, the deposit amount, a video about making deposits will be created for you in the future. By simply clicking on View All Accounts, you can easily see all of your currently active accounts. And to create a new account, you can just select your account type and click on the Add New Account. You select your currency along with the password, account type, and click on Create Account. And as you can see, this account has been added to TradeNation. On the dashboard page at the bottom, you can see the articles, and by clicking on the desired article, you can view the guide. And also, to get in touch with TradeNation support, you click on this option and establish contact with support. In the payment section, you can select your desired account, and by clicking on the deposit option, you enter the deposit section, and by clicking on the withdraw option and entering the amount, you can withdraw the desired amount. We will soon create a video about withdrawals for you. At the bottom of the page, you can see your payment history, which is divided into categories of payment: account, time, payment ID, amount, and status. After engaging with the website, this section will be displayed for you. The next option is the Account Settings option, which is divided into two categories: Profile Details and Security. In the Profile Details section, you can view your personal information. And at the bottom, you can see your contact information, such as email, mobile phone number, and your full address. In the Security section, you can click on this option to request a password link, and an email will be sent to you to change your password. In this section, you can change your MetaTrader 4 information, such as your account, and enter a new password. To confirm, you repeat the new password and click to change the password. Friends, this was the tutorial on how to work with the TradeNation broker dashboard. Good luck.